So I've been working towards a place in the field of dentistry for a while now. Something that I've noticed kind of slowly increasing is the amount of artificial intelligence that's incorporated into this field. And this could be something really revolutionary if it's done the right way, the safe way and the most effective way. There's really three main things that I see people talking about when it comes to adding artificial intelligence into the field of healthcare. The first thing that ncbi.gov states is that there's kind of a general distrust in these machines and putting them into a field like healthcare. Which leads me into the next thing, which is mentioned by bdtechtalks.com, is that there's really a lot of concerns about ethicality when it comes to adding AI into the field of dentistry, along with how it might affect the middle class in future careers and how everything will pan out. I believe one of the best ways to probably introduce something like AI into this field, the way that is the most functional or ethical and also cost effective, is to try introducing machines like the one Yami or Yomi, however you want to pronounce it. It basically assists the dental surgeon, oral surgeon, whoever, with getting more precise and accurate procedures. It basically works as a GPS. There's also room for a dental assistant, so it's not like the machine would be replacing a person, but simply just adding for a more effective procedure. The process of implementing more AI into the dentistry field has actually already started. Harvard Dental School has tried to go ahead and look into see if there's any ways to make diagnosis and treatment plans even better than they already are. Now, aside from Yomi or Yami, however you want to pronounce it, you have a computer built-in system, so basically a software system that's trying to help people, so the doctors and the patients, with once again creating better treatment plans and diagnosis. A quote taken from the article, the software is called Overjet. Overjet uses computer vision algorithms to identify oral anatomy and disease from dental x-rays and other patient records to determine the correct treatment plans for each patient. And of course, with continued interest, it's possible that even more of these types of systems can be added to more dental offices. So whether someone is using Yomi, a more hardware-driven machine, or something like Overjet, a system-built software technology, regardless, it looks like there's a lot of effort being put into creating more AI options to better assist both the patients and the doctors. I believe this can help create a sense of ease for each patient. If a doctor or a dentist is using something like Yomi, then they know there is more of a sense of accuracy and precision in the procedures as stated by Design Dental Center. Mentioned by the previously stated Harvard study, if a dentist is using the system Overjet, we know there is a lot more confidence in executing things like the diagnosis and treatment plans for each patient. While first costs might be larger when using these machines or softwares, we know the overall payout and the quality given to both the patient and doctor are higher in the future. With both of these options that I've been talking about through the video, the power and the decisions of the procedures still rests in the doctor's hands, not the robots. And there's also space to continue having regular employees for the dental office. I would love to see how all of this improves over the years. I believe sincerely that we're all trying to create a decent balance between both human and machine in the dentistry field. It also seems with these types of improvements, faith in dentistry might slowly increase with higher insurance of the patient's safety. Perhaps in the future, the fear of dentists or orthodontists or oral surgeons will slowly start to dissipate, hopefully.